K channel. Today we are doing shapes.
Okay, shapes. Okay.
So next up, you are going to answer this.
No, you have to tell them.
Let's pretend it was the boys' turn. Boys' turn.
No, you have to teach first, and then later is the quiz. Okay, tell them what shape is the first one.
This shape is a circle.
A circle. Check. Okay, the next is
Triangle.
a triangle.
Check.
Okay,
Square.
square.
Check.
Check. Good job. Okay, what shape is next? Ooh, okay. Okay.
And
What else?
your favorite.
What's my favorite shape?
Your favorite shape is going to be the first one.
Okay, and then oval. How about the oval?
Oval like this.
Good job. Okay, now tell them the shape.
Heart is your favorite.
Is my favorite because I love you. Yes.
Because I've been teaching you.
Thank you, teacher. Next shape is?
What is this one?
What shape is that, teacher?
Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Okay.
It's a rectangle. Check.
And the last shape is?
Oval.
Oval. Good job. Check. Okay. Can you show them how you draw a airplane?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
I'm so excited.
Okay, go.
This, like this. That.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And windows.
Windows.
So they can see what it looks like outside.
Yes.
The tail.
The tail of the airplane.
That.
Mm-hmm.
Wings.
There's the wings.
A little bit looks crazy, but
That's fine. Okay.
still nice.
Very nice, yeah.
Color in. Oh.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, what else? And when the plane is in the sky, there's gonna be what? You're gonna draw what?
Clouds.
Cloud.
And the sun.
Yes. Okay, go draw it.
Okay, first up, let me finish
Yes, please.
it. Wait, I have to draw me and mommy.
Okay, go.
Because I love mommy.
Okay.
This is going to be me. My arm is going down to carry my luggage.
Okay.
And like this, my head, my eyes,
Mm-hmm.
my mouth, and my hair. I don't
Okay.
want to be bald.
Yes.
I don't want to be like that. My hair is going to be crazy, like when it's
Okay,
going
so
up.
Okay,
My
so-
hair is going up.
That's fine.
It's a fun.
This is windy, right? Because
It's kind of windy.
yes. Okay, so that's Catherine. Who's next? Where's mommy?
Mommy, yeah. Mommy is big.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, I think this is gonna be Daddy.
Oh.
I think Daddy's gonna be with me.
Okay, daddy's gonna be with you. That's fine. Okay.
because you and Zoe are in the plane, so I'm gonna draw your faces like that out the window.
Okay, okay. Go finish daddy. Finish daddy. Yes.
The other arm is up.
Okay, where's the clouds? Clouds in the sun. Daddy has hair? Okay.
And then here's going up because it's windy.
Because it's windy. Okay, you put the clouds. And a cloud in there, okay?
Cloud here.
Beautiful.
Now I'm gonna draw you and Zoe's face
You think so?
looking out of the window.
Okay, let me see.
Since there's already like this, I'm just gonna draw the eyes.
Okay, so we are peeking in the window, okay?
Peeking in the window. She's looking at me and I'm just saying hi.
Okay, okay.
Hi, Zoe.
Okay, where's your luggage?
Ow, my luggage.
Put it in
I
daddy's
don't
hand.
know.
Put it in daddy's hand.
No.
That's-
No. Daddy should.
Oh, daddy's holding your backpack.
You're holding my purse.
Okay,
Holding my purse.
okay, daddy's holding the purse.
And here's my backpack.
And in the other hand is, oh, daddy has the backpack. Okay.
Here is like this straps
Okay.
there. And my luggage. I'm
Mhm.
holding my luggage.
So who has the passport? And you're holding your luggage. Okay.
I have my passport. I have the passport.
Okay, you have in your luggage. Okay.
Draw that.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to draw you.
Yes, only Zoe peeking in the window.
No, you were going into the bathroom for a second.
Oh, I was in the bathroom. That's
Yeah,
why.
you were peeing in the bathroom.
And I left Zoe by herself.
But she's happy because her older sister's with her.
Okay,
She's
okay.
happy.
Sure.
That's why she has this.
So are we done with the picture?
Not
Not yet. What else is missing?
passport.
Passport. Okay.
My passport?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. You can't even see it.
Okay.
But just pretend there's a K. So it's just forward.
Okay.
Mine.
Okay, and then show them when you're done.
Zoe.
Show them everything.
Mommy's.
Mm-hmm.
And Daddy's holding his in my backpack.
Okay.
Holding it in my backpack.
Okay.
Daddy.
Okay. Then show it.
No, wait, I'm not done
Okay,
yet.
okay, okay.
I forgot Mommy.
Okay, put mommy in there.
Mommy is done in the shower.
Okay.
I mean,
In the washroom.
I mean,
Okay.
in the washroom. Wait, I have to make the steps.
Okay, make the steps.
There's the steps.
There's the steps to go up.
Yeah, Daddy is just in line with me.
Okay. So that's our
Philippine Airlines
going on a holiday, on a vacation.
trip, and give me a tour.
Okay.
So here is the airplane, and this. Who are these two?
Who are they?
This is my sister with the other sister. That's me.
Mhm.
And this is Mama. This is Daddy.
Mhm.
Holding my backpack.
Mm-hmm.
And my passport is here. My purse.
Mhm.
And I am going into the plane.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to be at the first row with Mama.
Okay.
Because I love you.
Okay. Hope you like Call It
Philippine.
Case picture. Casey, what are you gonna say to them? Thanks for
Watching. Bye.